Hey, thanks for joining me here on Millennial Review. We've got a GoPro Hero 8 Black in our hands, and I'm really looking forward to opening up this masterpiece. I haven't had a camera quite as nice as this probably ever, so let's go ahead and pop it open, and I'll do a quick unboxing video with you, of course with a follow-up of how I like it a little later on. But let's pop this out, see what it looks like. So if we look at the box here, you can see it's telling us it's 12 megapixel, can do 4K 60 or 1080p at 240, which means super slow-mo. That'll be really nice. 8x slow-mo, of course with that. Hyper smooth, time warp. Just a whole lot of really neat things on this. And of course it can even shoot RAW, which is pretty neat. Now it's going to have an app, which I look forward to using. That should be cool to get dialed in with. Haven't used one of those before for a GoPro. And then you'll notice here it's got camera, one mount, of course a cable, and then of course a battery pack. So it's going to slide out, and that's actually a pretty nice display. It looks neat when you take it out. Looks neat when you take it out. Now of course you've got this nice GoPro mount. It looks like in the backside a little bit of rubber there. That's pretty cool because that actually locks this thing in place. So that's new. I haven't actually seen that. Don't know how long GoPro has had this, but a little rubber piece there to keep it from accidentally coming unclipped. And then we'll start to open the box here. So GoPro Plus, that's pretty cool. So it looks like it's got unlimited cloud storage, damaged camera, nice. So we'll definitely look into what that is. And of course this is quick start directions. And then in there we're going to have another quick start. I think this is going to explain to us how this actually opens. I think that's going to... Well, I guess we need to read that. If we put this back here, saying up top, yeah, that's got to pull up. So I pulled up like that, and then that opens up. That's pretty nice. It's actually a good way of doing that. A couple GoPro stickers if that's your kind of thing. Then we're going to have the real instruction book here. That is plenty of pages. In fact, plenty more than I planned to read. And then this is going to allow us to get into the good stuff here. So it's going to have a GoPro battery. Looks pretty nice. This is actually a little newer look than I've seen before. Then we're going to have that mount that can go onto something. And of course, the charging cable. Now, I'm curious. It's probably unlikely that this has a charge, but let's see if we can get it started. It looks like the battery just slides right in like that. Now we get to do the real fun stuff. We get to take a little plastic cover off. Nice. And power button looks like it's on the side. Ooh, there we go. Starting up. Wow. That's pretty cool. Well, this is a quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts on this camera down in comment section below. I'm going to go through and get this all set up here and give it a shot. We'll see what it's all about. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.